Hi, I'm Eric Woodcraft, AIFD, here for FlowerBox. And I'm going to show you this great 8-inch grab-and-go container, which is super popular. So what you do to begin with this one, it's got these two ribbons. You just simply pull them carefully. Pretty easy. And then you can unfold the same way that you would the other style. So just kind of pushing from the bottom. You can reach your hand inside and just reflex that liner down inside the container as well. Next, I'll add some water. And you just want to fill it up maybe about an inch from the top. To decorate the outside of this container, I'm going to use this artificial aspidistra ribbon. I've pre-cut it into a couple of lengths, and I've also attached some glue dots to the top and to the bottom. So I'm simply going to position it in place. I love the way that this tropical kind of pattern plays against the black. I think that's super fun and dramatic. Just adhering it to the bottom. The only thing you want to be super careful about with using roses and the FlowerBox, roses, as you know, have thorns. So you'll want to dethorn the roses really well, as they can puncture the inside liner that's holding the water, so you don't want that to happen. Then to the outside, I'm going to add a little bit of greenery. Just kind of taking it into the holiday season, I'm going to add a little bit of the cedar right to the outside of the roses. And again, remove any foliage that's going to be kind of down in the water or at risk of damaging the liner. Isn't that beautiful? Just the way they kind of flow right around the edge of the container. If you want to, you can go back and add a little bit more evergreens to the interior of the bouquet, and that's something you can do after you get it into the container. This would be a great arrangement that you can send to a friend, you can take to a friend because it's easy to grab and go. It'd be great for a wedding to display on a table. There's lots of different uses for these kind of things. So consider purchasing some of these and see what you can show your customers and your clients moving forward. Thanks for watching today. Take care.